Question number 1. Which of the following ports shown on the rough outline map of India is a riverine port? Option A. Kolkata Port, B. Mumbai Port, C. Chennai Port, D. Kochi Port. Answer is option A. Kolkata Port. Question number 2. Which of the following is the busiest international seaport in India? Option A. Kolkata Port, B. Mumbai Port, C. Chennai Port, D. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Answer is option D. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 3. Which is the oldest port in India? Option A. Kolkata Port, B. Kochi Port, C. Chennai Port, D. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Answer is option A. Kolkata Port. Question number 4. Which port is known as Jawaharlal Nehru Port? Option A. Marma Goa, B. Nhava Sheva, C. Mangalore Port, D. Kandla Port. Answer is option B. Nhava Sheva. Question number 5. Which of the following ports was the biggest port during the Mughal period? Option A. Chittagong, B. Hooghly, C. Surat, D. Balasore. Answer is option C. Surat. Question number 6. What is Ennore Port also known as? Option A. South Port, B. Madras Port, C. Kamarajar Port, D. Anna Port. Answer is option C. Kamarajar Port. Question number 7. Which port is known as the Gateway of India? Option A. Mumbai Port, B. Chennai Port, C. Kolkata Port, D. Kochi Port. Answer is option A. Mumbai Port. Question number 8. Which port is the largest container port in India? Option A. Mumbai Port, B. Kolkata Port, C. Jawaharlal Nehru Port, D. Kochi Port. Answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 9. Which of the following is the main port in the state of Gujarat? Option A. Mumbai Port, B. Kandla Port, C. Jawaharlal Nehru Port, D. Kochi Port. Answer is option B. Kandla Port. Question number 10. Which riverine port is located on the Hooghly River in West Bengal? Option A. Mumbai Port, B. Kandla Port, C. Kolkata Port, D. Kochi Port. Answer is option C. Kolkata Port. Question number 11. Which port is often referred to as the King of Indian Ports? Option A. Mundra Port, B. Kandla Port, C. Kolkata Port, D. Kochi Port. Answer is option A, Mundra Port. Question number 12. Which Indian port is located in the state of Gujarat and operated by Adani Ports? Option A, Chennai Port. B, Kandla Port. C, Kolkata Port. D, Mundra Port. Answer is option D, Mundra Port. Question number 13. Which of the following is the largest port in India by cargo tonnage handled? Option A, Chennai Port. B, Kandla Port. C, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. D, Mundra Port. Answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 14. Which port is referred to as the gateway to the east? Option A, Kolkata Port. B, Kandla Port. C, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. D, Chennai Port. Answer is option A, Kolkata Port. Question number 15. Which of the following ports is known for its natural harbour? Option A, Kochi Port. B, Kandla Port. C, Mumbai Port. D, Mormugao Port. Answer is option C, Mumbai Port. Question number 16. Which port is the largest in terms of cargo handling capacity in southern India? Option A, Kochi Port. B, Kandla Port. C, Mumbai Port. D, Chennai Port. Answer is option D, Chennai Port. Question number 17. Which of the following ports is located in Gujarat and is one of the largest oil ports in India? Option A, Kochi Port. B, Mundra Port. C, Mumbai Port. D, Kandla Port. Answer is option D, Kandla Port. Question number 18. Which port is located at the confluence of the Sabarmati River and the Arabian Sea? Option A, Kochi Port. B, Kandla Port. C, Surat Port. D, Mundra Port. Answer is option B, Kandla Port. Question number 19. Which port in India is the largest for handling coal imports? Option A, Paradip Port. B, Kandla Port. C, Chennai Port. D, Mundra Port. Answer is option A, Paradip Port. Question number 20. Which port is situated on the Coromandel coast of India? Option A, Visakhapatnam Port. B, Mumbai Port. C, Chennai Port. D, Mundra Port. Answer is option C, Chennai Port. Question number 21. Which Indian port is known for handling the majority of the country's salt export? Option A, Mundra Port. B, Kandla Port. C, Chennai Port. D, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Answer is option B, Kandla Port. Question number 22. Which port in India is famous for its shipbreaking activities? Option A, Alang Port. B, Mumbai Port. C, Chennai Port. D, Mangalore Port. Answer is option A, Alang Port. Question number 23. Which Indian port has the second largest container handling capacity after Jawaharlal Nehru Port? Option A, Chennai Port. B, Mumbai Port. C, Kolkata Port. D, Kandla Port. Answer is option A, Chennai Port. Question number 24. Which of the following ports is located in the state of Kerala? Option A, Kochi Port. B, Mumbai Port. C, Chennai Port. D, Kandla Port. Answer is option A, Kochi Port. Question number 25. Which port is located near the Gulf of Kutch? Option A, Ahmedabad Port. B, Kandla Port. C, Jaipur Port. D, Patna Port. Answer is option B, Kandla Port.